Okay, we're working on the mouth here. We got this rounded down with our sander now. So we got to take this out in here so it'll go up. The mouth will close up above the teeth. So we're going to work on that. So we cut this out here.
How about a digital temporary tattoo that uses a small handheld device to deposit cosmetic-grade ink onto the skin?
I like that you can try out a tattoo.
Yeah.
Yeah, but there has to be so many ways for this to go wrong, right?
We'll keep working on this in here.
And there's this.
If you have any questions or comments, comment on my YouTube page and I will get back with you. If you enjoy my videos, please like and subscribe on my YouTube page. So we get it closed there. We're going to round it all down a little bit more, and then we'll be back with the next step. Thanks for watching.
Sure.